two IP readings on one CCS2 connector, IP55 and IP67. Why are both there? I'm Kevin from Warren New Energy. Let's figure it out. Every IP reading has two digits. The first tells you about protection against solids, including dust. The second tells you about protection against water. Simple enough, but here's where it gets tricky. In a mated condition, the connection is rated IP55. The first 5 means dust protected, while the second 5 means protection against water jets. In practice, this helps protect the mated connection against dust and directed water exposure in outdoor charging environments when installed and used as specified. Now, the internal cavity is rated IP67, and that's a different condition. Here, 6 means dust tight, and 7 means protection against temporary immersion under specified test conditions. So, IP55 and IP67 don't contradict each other. They describe protection for different conditions or areas of the connector. And remember, an IP reading describes ingress protection. It doesn't define every possible operating condition, so always check what the rating applies to and under what conditions. An IP reading without its condition is only half the information. What's the most common IP reading mistake you've seen? Let us know in the comments.